Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a signature in Docusign so we can quickly sign documents online. Whether we choose to draw, type, or upload our signature, the process is simple and secure. On the Docusign dashboard, we need to click the upper right corner where our mini logo is. Once the drop-down appears, we click on Manage Profile, and we will be taken to the Docusign settings page. From here, we simply click on Signatures. We can either edit an existing signature or add a new one. Let's go ahead and add a new signature. We have a few options to choose from, and we can also set up our initials at the same time. Once we are happy with our choice, we just click Create and then Replace. As we can see, that is now our new signature saved and ready to use. That is how we create a signature in Docusign in just a few easy steps. We are now ready to sign documents faster and more professionally.